po ng Northern Summer. Okay, this time, let's hear from Neil Yoba of Banlilio.
Recently, Congress has approved more or less 200 million pesos for the feasibility study, possible construction of tunnel or bridge connecting Matlog and Northern Samar. As far as the province is concerned, Mr. Governor, maybe hear reaction or possibly suggestion with regards to the conduct of the feasibility study, which will be conducted probably by DPWH.
Thank you. No? Actually, may hanay na yan. It started during, I think, 19th Congress pa. Kaupo ko pa si Congressman Nonoy Libana, no? Na-discussing namon sa kabila sa minority block. And dako ini nga huli, no? Sa ito parang suntok sa buwan ba? Na let's see kung ano ang mahila na po. And nakita mo na ito yan na development. And even the congressmen from Bicol, Camarines Sorsogon and Camarines Sur, fully support sini nga initiative ni Congressman Libana. And recently nakadiliwat ang Korean Consultant Incorporated Limited para bulig sa naton road master plan sa naton probinsya. So, I think naka-align ini nga tanan. Well, hindi tapit maarang kung kano ini nga tunnel or bridge. No, but definitely, andaan na ini. But 2028 is just around the corner. Whoever is the next president, I hope, no, na masuportaran ini sa masunod nga administration nato. Kay dako talaga ini nga na project, no, hindi rin yung mapupusin sa yun na term. So we need the support of everyone, no? Not only mga Samarnon, no, but also other provinces nga makaka-agamtam sining big ticket projects from the national government.
When I started as my first term as mayor in 2016, naalala ko the onset of the PRRD's presidency. Nabanggit na but it's a bridge that time. So kung feasible, and they asked for the support of legal municipalities in the Philippines starting sa our chapter. And then, noong 2016, gumawa kami ng resolution supporting that, yung project na yan. And it evolved. That time, if I recall it correctly, medyo parang hindi daw feasible, but in-explain sa amin, it's not a straight bridge, dadaan ng mga big islands, and 2 island towns din dito sa Northern Samar. But now, through the initiative of Kong Nonoy, and of course, with Congressman of Samar Island, parang na yung tunnel, that idea. But sabi nga niyo, that's correct. At least andyan, start whoever is the next administration na 2020, nakalatag na. Kasi it's really a big help, not only for Northern Samar Island, but gateway kasi yung at Matbag Island, gateway talaga yan to the Visayas and Mindanao. Thank you.